This watercolour course introduces the general principles, materials, equipments and skills associated with expressive and stunning art of watercolour painting.
You're going to push your seams out, pushing in where the nose should be or is going to be, and along the bottom. And what you're going to
In today's video we will decorate this headband. Let's start. I still don't know how our end result will look, but I prepared crystals in grey, clear and black. I took black onyx stone as I really believe in energy of the stone.
In this class, you will learn how to draw your own fashion illustration. This is a really simple follow-along fashion illustration class. It'd be great if you have an iPad to do the illustration with, but it's not necessary. You can follow along with paper and traditional paints if you'd like.
Hi, hello, I'm Pedja, and I am a digital visual designer, turned mentor that teaches about the fields of just overall design and just overall visual design. In this video, I'll be showcasing not an actual step-by-step guide, but mostly my thought process and how I deal with layers and groups and how that might benefit you also. So in the next 40 minutes, enjoy that.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to make your own pillowcase, and this is a pillowcase that I actually made for this course. So I'm going to take you step by step how to make this, and it's very easy. It's something that you could make in about 10 to 30 minutes as an absolute beginner.